She dashed to school every day. Options are go, goes, gone, going. The correct answer is goes. She goes to school every day. They dash a movie when I called them. Options are watches. We're watching. Watch. Watching. The correct answer is we're watching. They were watching a movie when I called them. If I dash more time, I would travel the world. Options are have, had, has, will have. The correct answer is had. If I had more time, I would travel the world. I have dashed my homework already. Options are did, do, done, doing. The correct answer is done. I have done my homework already. He dash in London since 2010. Options are lives, is living, lived, has lived. The correct answer is has lived. He has lived in London since 2010.